Hi guys, here's how I was able to fix the sound which was not working on my laptop. I hope this works for you too. So when I checked my sound, nothing seemed to work at all. I tried to play some music, but it did not work as well, despite being on full volume. So to fix this, first I tried to install the drivers, and that also did not work. So then I right-clicked on the sound icon, clicked on troubleshooting sound problems. You may choose to open it, but I choose not to open audio enhancements. Play the test sounds. So I really could not hear anything. Choose I did not hear anything. And then simply restart your computer. So after restarting the PC, the sound seems to work. By the way, if it did not work for you for the first time, please repeat the same process couple of times. We had to run the same troubleshoot 3 times and restart the PC accordingly. And finally it worked. Anyway, we hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.